Be honest. How many skincare creams have you tried that promised glass skin but delivered regular, stressed-out skin instead? Yeah, same. If you're searching for a cream that actually does something instead of just looking fancy on your shelf, you're in the right place. Stick around because I tested this properly. You're probably here because you searched for Dr. Althea Reju 5000 cream, and I've been using it long enough to give you a real human review. No overhype, no dramatic skincare fairy tales, just what actually happens when this cream meets real skin. This cream focuses on PDRN, but here's what makes it different. It's vegan and probiotic derived. That means it's designed to support skin repair and texture improvement without the harshness people usually associate with heavy recovery products. Let's talk texture, because this matters. It looks like a thick ointment-style cream, but once you apply it, it spreads easily and absorbs fast. There's no greasy film and no sticky afterfeel. I used it both morning and night, and it layered well without messing up sunscreen or makeup. Now the real question, did it actually do anything? After consistent use, the first thing I noticed was how calm my skin felt. Redness settled down faster, especially after irritation or overexfoliation. That's likely from the Centella asiatica leaf water, which is known for soothing stressed skin. My skin also felt more resilient, like the barrier was stronger and less reactive throughout the day. Hydration is another win here. With glycerin, panthenol, and multiple forms of hyaluronic acid, the moisture doesn't disappear after an hour. My skin stayed comfortably hydrated without feeling heavy or oily. Ingredient-wise, this formula makes sense. You've got barrier-supporting ingredients, anti-inflammatory components, probiotics, and peptides working together. Nothing here feels random or thrown in just for marketing. It's clearly built for skin recovery and maintenance. Who is this for? If your skin is sensitive, compromised, or just tired of aggressive products, this cream fits well into a calming routine. If you're expecting instant overnight transformation, this isn't that kind of product, and that's actually a good thing. Final verdict, this isn't hype, and it's not pretending to be a miracle. It's a well-formulated recovery cream that quietly does its job, and honestly, that's exactly what good skincare should do. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support, stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next video.